Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your temporary block on Messenger. So if you get temporarily blocked on Messenger, you can't message anybody or call anybody in Messenger. So if you did something wrong and got blocked, then you can't do anything. But let's say you didn't do anything and you got blocked for no reason, then by watching the video you can recover your account, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide to get notified for our future videos just like this. Now let's move on. First step, close your Messenger, alright? And the other thing you need to do is open your Facebook, and make sure the Facebook you're opening is connected with your Messenger account. So you can see my profile picture, and you can see my profile picture in my Messenger at the top left corner. It's same. So I have the same Messenger which is linked with this Facebook. Once over here, go on menu and click on where it says help and support over here, and go on where it says report a problem. Over here, click on continue to report, and over here click on don't include in report. Once you do that, you can see messages over here right below marketplace. Click on messages, and over here you want to write this: I did nothing wrong and still got blocked on Facebook Messenger temporarily. Can you help me get unblocked? So I'm gonna write it so you guys can just see what I wrote. You want to write this: I didn't do anything wrong and still got temporarily blocked in Messenger. Can you help me unblocked? So once you write that at the top, you can see send. Click on send, and this problem will be sent to Facebook, and Facebook staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so that's how we guys can do it. The only thing you can do is report this to Facebook and they'll view it and they'll help you fix it. The other thing you can do is just wait until your temporary block is over. Once it's over, you're done, it's good to go. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.